If you're wanting to check if your old PC supports Windows 11, since Windows 11 is going to be released in about maybe 2 weeks or 10 days or something. In early October, they're going to release Windows 11. You just go ahead and go to PC Health Check on Microsoft, and you can install a small app. I installed it, and once it installs, it opens and runs this thing called PC Health Check. Just go ahead and click Check Now, and then it'll tell you if your Windows 11 system meets the requirements. If you're thinking, oh, it says it doesn't meet the requirements, but I'll try installing it anyways, I probably wouldn't. I mean, I tried doing it myself, and it won't let you get past the very beginning of the installation. It'll boot up Windows 11 install setup, and you can start it, but after like a minute, it'll stop and say the same message: your PC doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. And it's probably because, what do you call it? It seems like they're going a different direction where they just want to support newer computers. And so, I mean, my computer supposedly isn't that old. It's actually pretty old. It's probably like 8 years old. I'm not sure why it says 3 years old. But what do you call it? I guess they're doing a push towards using newer technology versus when Windows 10 came out. They were okay with you running older PC setups because they wanted you to migrate over to Windows, but this is the complete opposite where they want you to start upgrading your hardware. So just wanted to mention that, and you can see I'm not running a bad processor. I'm running an i5 4590, but it doesn't meet the Windows 11 requirements. So anyways, just wanted to show you this. That way you can check.